In this video, I will walk you through the steps of buying and selling stocks using the app Trade. This app is great because it doesn't charge any commission for buying and selling stocks. I wish I've known this stock when I started trading a couple years ago. What I also like about this app is that it's very user-friendly, and I downloaded it in my iPhone, so I just basically buy in stocks using my phone, and because I bring my phone anywhere, then it's very convenient for me to trade that way. And just a disclaimer as well, I'm not sponsored by this company, and aside from using Trade, I've also previously used Trade in the past, which is also a good platform for trading stocks and trading options. But Trade, unlike Trade, charges commission whenever you buy and sell stocks. I live here in Canada, and those are the platforms that I use, as well as the TD brokerage account. So let's get into it.
First, you download the app, which is right here. Then you click on it. Then you're gonna sign up for an account. Then once you have your account already, then you would go to the funding, which is right here. You would add funds. And in this app, I have a personal and a TFSA account. So I'm back at the home page in my Trade app here, and if you look in here in the left side, you can press the icon. Here you would find activity, which will show you your trade history or your transaction history. Funding, if you want to withdraw money from your account or if you want to put in money. Right here, you can manage your account. So if you have TFSA and a personal account, then that would be 2 accounts. And this is how my account looks like. So you can see in my personal account, I have this much money, and if you look at my portfolio here, these are the stocks that I currently have. So let's get into how you would buy stocks using this app. So using this search icon here, you would click that. You would type in the stocks you want to buy. So say you want to buy Apple stocks. You put Apple there, and it would be the first one, Apple. So after clicking that Apple on the search bar, then this is how the Apple stock is currently trading in. So it costs $325 per share of an Apple stock. And today it went up by $1, so that's 0.55% higher than yesterday. At the bottom here, you can see 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months. So it's showing you the trend of how Apple prices has been in the past 3 months, in the past 1 year, or in the past 5 years. Let's focus at 1 year. So as you can see here, this is the start and this is the end price. So it's obviously going up in the uptrend. That's the terminology we use. So over the year, it's up, but during this point, as you can see, it went down by quite a lot. So when searching for stocks, you want to find stocks that are going up over the long run. So you look at the 1 year and the 5 year. So it should be at the uptrend. That's how you know that you're investing in a quality stock. Let's say you look at a different example, Air Canada. So we just type in Air Canada. So this one, the first one that comes up, it's in TSX because it's trading in Toronto Stock Exchange. So Air Canada, during the day, it went up by $1.68, and that's 10% increase. Wow. So it's currently trading at $18 per share. So that's very affordable for most people. And if you look again at the 1 year of how this Air Canada has been trading, so over the year, it's been going up, as you can see right here. But because of the pandemic, it went down. It's almost at the rock bottom here. So this definitely is a really good bargain at this time. So if you determine that Air Canada is a good buy, then you would just press buy right there. You click on which account you want to buy this stock, whether it be from your personal or TFSA. If you're personal, then click personal. So it's showing here how much I have available to trade. It's only $1.39 because I have all my money invested in other stocks. But if you have more, then you can afford to buy Air Canada. So you just click the account where you want to buy it from. You click next. It's gonna ask you how many shares of Air Canada you want. Do you want 12, 1, 2, 5, 10, however, or whatever you want. Then at the top here, you have the option market buy, limit buy, or stop limit buy. So market buy, it means that your trade will be executed at the current market price. Limit buy allows you to set a limit price. This is the highest price you're willing to pay for that particular stock. So this is what I commonly use, limit buy. This is the highest price you're willing to pay for that particular stock. So this is what I commonly use, limit buy. And the stop limit buy is another option. I don't use this very much. I rarely use this. I don't think I've ever used stop limit buy with this app. So for beginners out there, I recommend just focusing on market buy and limit buy. If you want to learn more about stop limit buy, you can go Google it, and there's a lot of resources out there that explains what it is. And so, how many shares do you want? So let's just, for the sake of example, let's put 2. Then you just press continue, and showing not enough funds, because as you can see from the previous page, I only had $1 in my account. But if you have more, it should prompt you to just click next, and then you would press buy at the end. Then once you have that, then you go back to your portfolio, and you should be able to see your portfolio. From your portfolio, the Air Canada would be there. So in my portfolio, I bought Air Canada today, so it's in my portfolio, and right here I bought 110 shares today, and I bought it at 18.24. And so because it went up to 18.37, my return for the day is $14.65. So it went up by 0.73%, and I still have the share of this Air Canada, and I'm planning to hold this for a few days or a few months before I sell it. So if you're ready to sell this stock, then you just would press sell right here. Which account do you want to sell Air Canada from? You would sell it from your personal. It's saying you have 110 shares, so you click that, next, and then again it would ask you for an option to sell it at a market price or using a limit order. So market sales allow you to sell your stock at an instant or at the current market price, and limit sell will allow you to sell your stock at the price that you set it at.